Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix there was a problem parsing the package. So guys, if you are trying to install apps in your Android phone and you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen. And after this, here I will give you some possible suggestions and solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, first of all, open your settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on password and security, and from here tap on system security, and from here scroll it below and tap on installation sources. So guys, if you are trying to download and install the app from Google Chrome or other browser, you will have to simply turn this toggle on for that browser. So guys, if you are trying to install the app from Google Chrome, simply turn it on, and if you are using other browser in your device, simply turn this toggle on for that browser, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So that after this, go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to open your settings again, and from here scroll it below and tap on about device and tap on up to date, and from here check if there is any update available for your device. So guys, update your software for your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this, go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is, open your Play Store, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on manage apps and devices, and from here tap on your storage, and from here make it sure that there is enough space for you to install a new app in your device. So guys, if there is no enough space for you, simply delete few apps from here and try to install the new app in your device again. So guys, after this, go for the next solution. That is, you will have to open your Play Store again, and from here tap on your profile again, and from here tap on settings, and from here tap on about, scroll it below and tap on update Play Store. So guys, update your Play Store and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.